We often think of wildlife as belonging to vast forests and remote mountains. These are the places where we imagine animals roam freely, far from the hustle and bustle of human civilization. The dense canopies of ancient trees, the rugged terrains of mountain ranges, and the untouched wilderness are what come to mind when we think of nature in its purest form. However, a closer look reveals a surprising truth. Our cities are teeming with life. Amidst the concrete and steel, a vibrant tapestry of wildlife exists, often hidden in plain sight. These urban environments, though seemingly inhospitable, have become sanctuaries for a variety of species. The green spaces, parks, and even the nooks and crannies of buildings provide shelter and sustenance for these resilient creatures. From the skies above to the parks below, a hidden world of creatures has adapted to urban living. Birds soar over skyscrapers, finding nesting spots on ledges and rooftops. In the parks, small mammals scurry about, foraging for food. These animals have learned to navigate the urban landscape, using their instincts and adaptability to survive and thrive. This vibrant ecosystem thrives alongside us, often unnoticed. Foxes may be seen darting through backyards at dusk, while birds chirp melodiously on city streets. These animals have become a part of the urban fabric, their presence a testament to the resilience of nature. They go about their lives, often unseen by the busy city dwellers who share their space. Join me as we explore the fascinating world of urban wildlife, uncovering the secrets of these resilient creatures. We'll delve into their behaviors, their habitats, and the unique challenges they face in the city. By understanding their stories, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the natural world that exists right outside our doorsteps. This is not just about the odd pigeon or squirrel. While these animals are common sights, they're just the tip of the iceberg. The urban ecosystem is home to a diverse array of species, each with its own role to play. From the smallest insects to larger mammals, each creature contributes to the balance of this unique environment. We're talking about a diverse array of animals and birds. Some are native species that have adapted to city life, while others are newcomers, finding new opportunities in the urban landscape. Together, they create a dynamic and ever-changing ecosystem that is both fascinating and complex. They have carved out their niches in the concrete jungle. Foxes may find refuge in alleyways, while birds build their nests on the ledges of buildings. These animals have learned to make the most of their surroundings, using their ingenuity to find food, shelter, and safety in the heart of the city. Some are familiar faces, while others may surprise you. You might spot a hedgehog in a city garden or catch a glimpse of a rare bird perched on a building. These unexpected encounters remind us of the incredible diversity of life that exists all around us, even in the most unlikely places. Their stories are testaments to nature's adaptability and the interconnectedness of all living things. These animals have found ways to coexist with humans, often in harmony. Their presence enriches our lives, offering moments of wonder and connection to the natural world. So, let's venture into this urban wilderness and discover the hidden wonders it holds. By taking the time to observe and appreciate the wildlife in our cities, we can foster a greater sense of stewardship for the environment. Together we can ensure that these resilient creatures continue to thrive alongside us, creating a richer, more vibrant world for all. High above the bustling city streets, a feathered predator reigns supreme, the peregrine falcon. These majestic birds, with their sharp talons and keen eyesight, have adapted remarkably well to urban environments. As they glide effortlessly over skyscrapers and busy roads, they remind us of the wildness that still exists amidst our concrete jungles. Once driven to near extinction by the widespread use of pesticides like DDT, these remarkable birds have made a triumphant comeback. Conservation efforts, including banning harmful chemicals and establishing breeding programs, have played a crucial role in their recovery. Today, peregrine falcons are a symbol of resilience and the power of dedicated conservation work. Cities, with their abundance of prey such as pigeons and starlings and tall structures that mimic their natural cliffside habitats, have become their new hunting grounds. These urban landscapes provide the perfect vantage points for these skilled hunters to spot and swoop down on their prey with unparalleled precision. Peregrines are perfectly adapted for urban life. Their nesting sites on tall buildings offer safety from ground predators and a clear view of their territory. These birds have shown an incredible ability to thrive in environments that are vastly different from their traditional cliffside homes. Their streamlined bodies and powerful wings allow them to reach astonishing speeds. With a wingspan of up to 3.6 feet, they are built for speed and agility. Their unique feather structure reduces air resistance, enabling them to cut through the air with minimal effort. In fact, they are the fastest birds on Earth, capable of diving at over 200 miles per hour. This incredible speed, known as a stoop, allows them to catch their prey by surprise. The sheer force of their dive can knock a bird out of the sky, making them formidable hunters. These aerial assassins primarily hunt other birds, like pigeons and starlings. Their diet in urban areas is diverse, and they have been known to adapt their hunting techniques to the availability of prey. By controlling the population of these birds, peregrine falcons play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance in cities. They often perch atop tall buildings and churches, using their incredible eyesight to scan for prey. Their vision is so sharp that they can spot a pigeon from over a mile away. This keen eyesight, combined with their strategic perches, makes them highly effective hunters. The next time you're in the city, look up. You might just spot one of these magnificent creatures soaring overhead. Their presence is a testament to the adaptability of wildlife and the success of conservation efforts. As they continue to thrive in urban environments, peregrine falcons remind us of the importance of preserving our natural world, even in the heart of our cities. So keep your eyes to the sky and appreciate the incredible journey of these resilient birds. Few urban animals are as adaptable and resourceful as the red fox. These clever creatures have managed to carve out a niche for themselves in environments that are vastly different from their traditional rural habitats. Their ability to thrive in urban settings is a testament to their intelligence and adaptability. Once confined to rural areas, foxes have become increasingly common in cities across the UK. This shift began in the mid-20th century and has only accelerated in recent years. Urban areas offer a unique set of challenges and opportunities for these animals, and they have risen to the occasion with remarkable success. Their reddish-brown fur, bushy tail, and cunning demeanor make them easily recognizable. These physical traits not only help them blend into their surroundings, but also serve as a reminder of their wild origins. Despite their urban presence, foxes retain many of the characteristics that make them fascinating creatures of the wild. But what draws them to our urban spaces? The answer is multifaceted. Urban environments provide a wealth of resources that are not as readily available in the countryside. From food to shelter, cities offer a variety of amenities that make them attractive to foxes. The answer lies in the abundance of food and shelter. Urban areas are teeming with food sources, from discarded takeaways to small mammals and birds. Foxes are highly opportunistic feeders, and they have learned to exploit these resources to their advantage. Foxes are opportunistic omnivores, meaning they'll eat almost anything. From discarded takeaways to garden fruits, they've learned to exploit the urban buffet. This adaptability in their diet is one of the key reasons they have been able to thrive in cities. They've learned to exploit the urban buffet. This ability to find food in a variety of places has allowed them to maintain a stable population even in densely populated human areas. Their diet is incredibly varied, and they are not picky eaters. Gardens, sheds, and even spaces under buildings provide safe havens for raising their cubs. These areas offer protection from predators and harsh weather conditions, making them ideal for nurturing young foxes. The presence of cubs in urban areas is a clear indication that foxes are not just surviving, but thriving. While some may view them as a nuisance, urban foxes remind us that nature can thrive even in the most unexpected places. Their presence in our cities is a testament to the resilience of wildlife and the adaptability of nature. They serve as a reminder that even in the most human-dominated environments, nature finds a way to persist and flourish. The relationship between humans and urban foxes is complex. While some people enjoy seeing these wild animals in their neighborhoods, others are concerned about potential conflicts. However, with proper understanding and coexistence strategies, it is possible for humans and foxes to share urban spaces harmoniously. Urban parks and green spaces play a crucial role in supporting fox populations. These areas provide not only food and shelter, but also a semblance of their natural habitat. By preserving and maintaining these green spaces, we can help ensure that urban foxes continue to thrive. Foxes are primarily nocturnal, which means they are most active during the night. This nocturnal behavior helps them avoid human activity and reduces the likelihood of conflicts. Nighttime in the city offers a different set of opportunities and challenges for these adaptable creatures. In conclusion, the red fox's ability to adapt to urban environments is a remarkable example of nature's resilience. These animals have managed to find a way to coexist with humans in some of the most unexpected places. Their presence in our cities is a reminder of the delicate balance between urban development and wildlife conservation. As we continue to expand our urban areas, it is important to consider the impact on local wildlife. By understanding and respecting the needs of animals like the red fox, we can create cities that are not only livable for humans, but also for the diverse array of creatures that share our urban spaces.